Welcome back, Kings and Queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I am doing a quick pillowcase sublimation. This is essentially for the Santa sacks. It was a popular trend last year. I made a design on Canva, and you can check out my video for that. Here's my design. It's flipped around backwards, and I am pressing my pillowcase. My Cricut is already ready. My heat press, 400 degrees for about 45 seconds. These pillowcases are extremely light, so you don't have to do a whole lot. Opening up some new parchment paper. I use parchment paper to try to catch any residual ink that may come off. So I'm going to lay that down. I'm going to put one underneath and use one on top. You don't have to use two, but that's just my preference for today because some of these things might bleed out. Now, for the pillowcase, this is just a standard Dollar Tree white pillowcase. If you want to find your placement, you can fold it in half. And then you can fold it in half again. And this little middle point, you can crease it if you want with your heat press. I just ironed all the creases out, but I'm doing this for you guys so you can see where the middle point should be. But I pressed this to get any moisture out. So that's kind of a pre-press, but if you can see, I now have my crossover middle point so I can know exactly where I want the middle of my design to be. I'm putting my heat pad inside, and again I want it to catch that middle point of my design. Best practice is to always lint roll your design, and I can't put my hands on my lint roller today, but you really should always lint roll your design. So this is my image. Again, it's flipped around on purpose because I need this to lay here and to print correctly when it comes out. I'm using my heat tape. And I'm trying to find the end of my heat tape. So I'm using my heat tape and I'm using... Okay, so I'm back. This is the image I created in Canva. I think I'm going to make this available for you guys on my website. I'm trying to press this because I've tried this a few times to make this video. We're going to make it work. But I have my parchment paper. I'm going to put some on the inside because I don't want anything to bleed through on the inside of my pillowcase. I also have my heat pad already in here. I'm going to just shove this in, try to make it line up so it can catch any bleed out that might actually happen on the other side of this. Top layer, also parchment paper. So on this side, it don't mess up your heat press. Everything's already taped down in terms of the image. I have this set for 400 degrees for 45 seconds. Let's make it work. Putting it on. Get started with the Cricut. And you want to apply some pressure. And this probably will feel like the longest 45 seconds of your life if you don't have a clamshell heat press. But you just hold it down. Keep that pressure on there. And the sublimation is going to do the work. It's just going to take on its own. Again, I've already said it, but it's very, very important, and a lot of people forget. Make sure you flip your image so that when you put it on here, it actually presses correctly. A lot of people get a little concerned that it's backwards if you don't flip it in your design. When you go to print it, make sure you flip it with your printer. All right, there you go. That was 45 seconds. And it's hot, very hot. You see a lot of people, when they do sublimation, they wear gloves. That's because sublimation is really hot. And one of the things I didn't know when I first started doing sublimation, it smells. So I'm in my office and I have a window open, but you want to make sure you have ventilation going. Sometimes I run a fan because this can kick off some smells, and your breathing is important. But this is beautiful, y'all. I just want to show you. You can fill this up. I think this would be really cute under people's Christmas trees. If you don't even want it for a kid, if you want it for yourself, you stuff it. You can tie a little jute string or whatever around it, and put it under your tree. You can also, I put mine midpoint, just because I wanted to center the design. But if you drop it lower, it'll give you a little bit of room to, you know, be able to cinch it and still make it look good. But this is the design. I think it came out really cute. So I'm going to put this on my website. I'm going to put it on there for free. It will say special delivery with Santa 4, and then I'm going to leave this blank so you can put whatever name you want in there. Hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys have a great day.